Okay guys, so this is our 100 subscriber YouTube video. So for our channel we hit 100 subscribers the other day, and so I decided to make a video about it. And I don't really have any content, so I decided to just make a random video. So I haven't made any videos in this car yet, but it's a 2005 Chevy Corvette. Just like the base model, I don't know what you call it. It's not a convertible or anything, it's a coupe, so it has a lift-off roof. It's LS2, 400 horsepower, it's automatic, so it's a pretty cool car. And, anyways, so it's burnt orange. My dad got it probably around 2 months ago. I haven't really made any videos about it or anything. It's a really fast car, man. It's crazy fast. And it's basically almost impossible to do a burnout on it because of the massive rims and stuff that are on it. The Pirelli Zeros that it has. Those rims, it has so much traction, it's crazy. Those rims and tires cost $3,000, I guess. And then, the headlights were $1,600 for their LED ones. Are pretty nice. And then, yeah, underneath the hood, it doesn't have any early modifications other than a K&N style air filter. And then it's automatic. I don't know, it's like the base interior, I guess you can call it. It has track mode and all that stuff. You don't have any modifications in there. It has the lift-off roof. Oh, it's dusty. Anyway, it has a lift-off roof that has these clips and you can lift it off, which my dad likes doing a lot, even though it takes forever to do that. And the door handles are pretty cool. You push your fingers inside there and it pops out. And the mirrors fold in manually. Oh, yeah, and it also has racing, or not racing, well, yeah, I guess racing shocks. I don't know, they're upgraded shocks that are pretty nice. I have no idea how much those cost. The windows and everything are tinted. That was like $200, I think, right there. The rear lights are tinted. The exhaust sounds really nice. I want to make a video of that sometime, but it sounds really nice. It's like awesome. It's not shined up or anything. My dad usually shines up with like this chrome stuff, so it's not that pretty right now. But I mean, it sounds really good. It's not stock. I know that. It's not Borlas. Borlas are louder than that, he says. Cause his buddy has Borlas on his. But yeah, it's a really cool car. Let's see what other updates we have. There's my TTR over there. I've been riding that a lot. I've done some mods to that too. You guys saw in the previous video the fork springs, which will be up in here, that video. The spark arrestor mod, which is up here too. I beefed up the rear shock by tightening it, so I can have our preload or whatever. I put a 110 main jet and a 17.5 pilot jet in the carburetor, which means it doesn't run as good as it should. I mean, it still takes forever to start up, but it runs really good. I mean, man, that thing has so much more power. I mean, probably a good 4 mile an hour top speed increase, I'd say. I haven't tested it out yet, but I do need to do top speed runs since I have my GoPro right now filming. I got a new rear tire on it. I got a new chain, an RK Tasago chain right there, and the tire is like a Dunlop. And then what else did I put on this thing? Oh yeah, and I took the snorkel out of the airbox for fun. I don't know. I haven't drilled any holes in it. I mean, that might be why it isn't running that great. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And I also want to do the engine. BBR sells this engine cradle because these frames usually sometimes like crack, I guess, supposedly from jumping it. And I might make my own engine cradle, so I might try to do that sometime. What else would I like to do with this thing? It's just a really fun bike. I'm probably gonna keep it forever, maybe, I don't know. I'll hopefully keep on racing it. And there's my dad's RM125 that he can't ride right now because since he really hurt his leg, kind of. He crashed. So you guys didn't see this video, didn't see it, this bike. We had a YZ250 that we had. It was pretty junk, had a Chinese carburetor on it, and the wrong throttle. Anyways, the throttle got stuck wide open in the old creek, as we call it. It's the place that goes down and up, and I'll show you guys a video of that. It's the place that goes down and up, and we jump it and stuff. And you saw it in our previous videos. Anyways, he got stuck, the throttle pinned wide open. He was doing a wheelie towards it and slammed into the bank of it. And, bruised his leg and tore a muscle or something. I don't know. So anyways, he can drive the Goldwing, which is why it's missing, and the Corvette. But he's going to wait till he's not going to ride dirt bike till it's fully like his leg's fully good, so, but, he's not working on any more junk dirt bikes, so. So anyways, that's his RM. It's basically, everything's stock on it. It's basically like a brand new bike. It's really nice. There's a four-wheeler that we have, a 90cc, a Sunnel SLA 90 four-wheeler that Isaac, my little brother, has, and he flipped it in the field. So the fender's missing, and it's a beater. I mean, the engine shakes so bad, and it smokes like really bad, so, I don't know. We got it, it's my grandpa's, and nobody is riding it, so he got it for free. And then, oh, I guess I better turn off this light. Yeah, but the 100 isn't here. The 100 is, out in the barn, so, that's out there. And then here I go show you guys the KZ400. Guys have been asking for videos about that, but I haven't made anything since like January or something like that, or February. And oh yeah, sorry for the GoPro shaking around. This monopod that I have isn't really good. Anyways, here's the KZ. It's in pieces. As you guys can see, I've been taking a bunch of parts off of it. I haven't really made any videos of it. But the front tire holds air, which is really good. I don't know if I put that on one of my videos or not. But I sold one part off of it so far, the master cylinder bolt or whatever. So I don't know if you guys need any parts for it. Definitely let me know. So I'll probably start parting it out because I don't know what else to do with it. But yeah, there's that forks work kind of stuff. And then there's our dirt bike trailer, which hasn't been moved in forever. We need to get the thing out. And then here is my engine for the KZ. Haven't really made a video about that either, I don't think, lately. We got the starter out. What else have we done to it? Oh yeah, I tried taking off this case. I got all the bolts out of it, but the stupid Spark Advance, it's Spark Advance, won't come out. It's rusted into there. So that's really annoying. But it turns over good though. And then, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with that either. And there's a bus air filter box for my VW bus, which will be up here too, that thing. Yeah, I'm trying to sell that right now to some guy. And then here's my Briggs & Stratton, which is underneath a really dirty rag. That's a video. There's a video up here about that too. It's a pretty boring video, but whatever. It turns over and everything. I don't have my tripod I don't have my tripod, so I can't show you guys that, but I haven't tried to fire it yet or anything. I tore it apart again. I cleaned out like everything again. Tore it apart, I don't know, probably 3 months ago. Just for fun, I was kind of bored. Yeah, but I don't know if it'll run or not. I haven't tried. I would guess so. I don't know if the rings are stuck or anything, but yeah, there's that. There's my old dirt bike tire. And then, I don't know what else I should show you guys. There's nothing really else going on. The 100's in the barn, and we almost got it running. We got sparks. The kill switch is really crappy, and it kept on. So we took off the kill switch, and we did that, and then we looked for spark, and we had a lot of spark on it, and so we were like, okay, let's try to start this thing. And well, the pit cock is like jammed like really bad. Like it won't. It's on the off position. It won't turn on or reserve. I don't know why that's happening, but so that's like really annoying. So I don't know if anyone has a brand new one or one that works, please let us know. Or if you know how to fix it. I cleaned it out and everything. I don't know how to fix it. And then the piston we probably need a new piston in that thing too, because it's really like wobbly. Or no, it's not wobbly. We haven't checked it. It has really low compression. It has like no compression in it, so it needs new rings and probably a new piston. I don't know, there's just a lot of problems with that thing. The rear brake isn't right. Oh, it doesn't shift. It only shifts in neutral and first gear. It doesn't shift in any other gear. So you don't know if the shift fork's bad or what's bad in it. Something in the transmission is bad. But so yes, I don't know. Oh yeah, and the Opel. I forgot to tell you guys about that. Sunday, so about a week ago from today, around that time, last Sunday we what did we do? Oh yeah, we adjusted the valves in it. Most of the valves are actually too tight. I didn't really make a video of that. Well, I kind of did, but not that good at one. Anyways, the valves were mostly too tight, and then we put silicone on the spark plug wires because they were all shorting out and it wasn't running right. And then what else did we do? My grandpa adjusted the carburetor so it runs really good now. We did it. Oh yeah, we got the vacuum. I call it vacuum pressure or whatever for all the vacuum up to. I think it was, yeah, we got it to 18.5, which is like really good. That's like almost better than what it should be. It was at 15 whenever you started messing with this thing back in, I don't know, April or whatever, or March. And now it runs really good compared to that. But the bad thing is we have a transmission leak. So it's an automatic transmission. So we think a rubber hose might be bad or something. So we're going to have to replace that. It isn't leaking that bad, but it is kind of bad. So that's something that we need to fix. And then we have brake problems, which you guys saw in my previous video about the brakes. In that video, in the brake video on the Opel GT, the brake pedal, whenever you push down on it, it wouldn't come up. And then my grandpa was going to drive it over to, and whenever he started the car, the brake pedal got sucked down, and it wouldn't come back up, even if he tried. So we don't know what's wrong with it. So my grandpa just disconnected the vacuum line for the brake booster, and they're like, we don't need power brakes right now. Not yet, at least. So we're pretty sure the master cylinder is leaking into the brake booster, which is, we're thinking about buying a brand new master cylinder and brake booster, just like $200. Yeah, it's a lot of money. We're not going to rebuild it. My grandpa's like, might as well just buy a new one instead of rebuilding it. I guess for safety and stuff. So that'll be a while down the road. That's a lot of money. We're going to work on body work and stuff before that. And then, oh yeah, and I got a radio for it. I got a Bluetooth one, but that's going to require cutting up the dashboard. I don't want to do that. As soon as my grandpa had another one, a Roadmaster radio, like a stereo system. And it's kind of vintage. And it comes with speakers and wires and everything, so we're going to use that. And then, what else did we do to the Opel? But then once we get it running and driving like really good, we're going to take the seats out and really deep clean them because they need clean like really bad. Like they're going to look awesome when clean. I can't wait for that part. And then so we're going to take those out, and then maybe take out some of the carpet, clean that up. Maybe get new carpet. I don't know. So carpet really isn't that bad, but it could be replaced. And then we'll fix the rockers, which you guys know they're totally destroyed. In one of my previous videos, I talked about how bad they were. So they're like gone almost. But the floorboards really aren't that bad. There's like a tiny rust hole about this big in one of the floorboards. So that's not, we can patch that easily. So anyways, we're going to, from my VW bus roof, even though it's all smashed up, we're going to use that metal to replace the rockers. But it's both from Germany, so the Volkswagen is Germany, the Opel is German, so I don't know. So we're gonna do that, and then yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we should be making more videos about the Corvette. Hopefully, and hopefully I should race my GTR more. I don't know, but oh yeah, and here's my newest helmet. It's just a really old like fiberglass helmet, which I think is so super cool. That's like my playground helmet. I wear it around here because it's super comfortable and stuff. So it'd be a really good GoPro helmet because I could stick the GoPro on there because it's a really smooth surface, so I can stick the sticky thing like anywhere. So I might have to do something like that. Yeah, but so our GoPro, so I haven't really talked about our GoPro at all. I've just talked in like the description of the videos. So it's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I got it 2 months ago or something like that. I got it from Best Buy, $250, I think I paid for it or something like that. And I bought a bunch of accessories on eBay and had to buy a SD card on eBay too for it. It's a really good GoPro. If you guys want a good GoPro, get it. I was thinking about the GoPro Hero 7 Silver, but I was kind of like, you can't put the batteries are built into it. You can't take the batteries out, and it's just the GoPro Hero Black is just so much better for $50 more. So I decided to get that, and I was looking at GoPro Hero 5 Blacks, but I decided not to go for these. I decided to buy a brand new one. But anyways, so yeah, so it works really good. If you guys want a good GoPro, get this one. Like, I'm on 4K right now, but on YouTube it'll probably be like I don't know, I can't upload 4K videos. I don't know what it'll be, like I don't know, maybe a 1080 or whatever. I don't know if I'll upload it that high or not. I could upload it that high, but our computer's just so slow. It doesn't like things like that. But I mean, this thing has I don't have the hyper smooth stabilization on right now, because that would make it like really nice and stuff. But it's just a really good camera. So, oh geez, my battery's almost dead. But the battery lasts basically almost forever too. Lasts about like an hour, 2 hours, something like that. So anyways, yeah, I guess thanks for watching this random video that I put together. And definitely don't forget to subscribe. Our next goal is probably, I don't know, like 150, 200 subscribers, something like that. But yeah, we have to keep on hitting this stuff, and pretty soon we'll be making videos of the Corvette and just more random videos of different things. So yeah, so definitely please subscribe, and thanks for watching.